Hey Lincoln, it's Matt Mick here again with Homegrown Lincoln, and we are at, of course, yet another Wingfest 2020 vendor, and today I'm here at Stur 22 with Charles. How's it going, man?
Hey, Matt, what's going on? How you doing, brother?
Doing good. Nice to see you again, man.
Yes, sir.
So again, guys, Wingfest 2020, which is brought to you by the United Way of Lincoln and Lancaster County. All proceeds for the event are going to the community workspaces of Lincoln. Charles here is putting together a wing for this event. So Charles, what wing are you guys putting together for us?
Yeah, so we are doing the pineapple mango jerk sauce chicken wings.
Sounds delicious.
So last year, we won People's Choice with our jerk sauce. This time we're adding pineapple mango sauce that we make in-house. It's about 8 different ingredients. The jerk sauce has 17 different ingredients. So this time we're gonna mix them both up. It's a little sweet and spicy on both. We think there are a lot of people gonna enjoy it, and we're just gonna soak it up with the sauce. It actually tastes good without the sauce, but you know, we're trying to win.
I'm gonna try it, Charles.
So you go right ahead. It looks good, don't it? Go right ahead. What you think?
Not really good.
Are you voting right?
I'm a voter, yeah.
Well, let me give you a couple of $100.
Yeah, give me that. So,
I'll just
so
taste.
it's really good. So it's more than even the flavor. Like your wings have a crisp to them. Tell me about that.
You know, being that we have a really small kitchen, we actually pre-bake it for about good 45 minutes with the jerk sauce sitting in there for about 45 minutes. So we pre-bake it. Then after that, we chill it, and then when it's time to serve, we reheat it up in a fryer for about 2 minutes, and then that's what gives it that crisp. So it's kind of cooked like a double cook type of thing.
Yeah.
You know.
Twice cooked.
So
cool.
that's what gives it that flavor there, because it's been sitting in that jerk sauce for 45 minutes in the oven. You know, and then we fry it again. So
perfect. Well, Charles, again, thanks for having us here today. These are really good. This is Wingfest 2020, brought to you by the United Way of Lincoln and Lancaster County. Again, all proceeds go to the community workspaces of Lincoln. Charles, thanks for having us today. We'll see you later, man.
Thank you, boss. Appreciate you.
Take care, guys. See you at the next.